Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll actually be looking at how you can use Coinmarketcap to your own advantage. How do we do that? Before I go into the deeply, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do it to subscribe, like the video and share the video so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. And all I just need you to do is to stay calm, watch carefully from the beginning to the end, because by the end of this very video you will be able to understand how to use this market cap with this coin market cap to your own advantage and add knowledge to your trading skills. So there is it. All you first need to do is to make sure you download this coin market cap from your Play Store. I do have it already, so I do not need to download it. So download it quickly, sign up, is users friendly, and let's begin. If you open CoinMarketCap interface, it's going to be something of this very nature. You're going to see what it means, what the market cap is, the CMC is, the altcoins index, and also the fear and the greed. This is what I'm talking about. The market cap, the altcoins index, the fear and the greed, and we have the CMC. All these ones are very important. You can see the total market cap of the crypto industry today, 3.74 trillion. You can see also the altcoins index, 71 over 100. And the fear and the greed is very poor though. Okay, but let's see what tomorrow hold. Okay, and one thing again you need to look at after these ones is what is the top. What are the tops? We mostly look at the top 10 cryptocurrency. We have the BTC, the ETH, the USDT, XRP known as the Ripple, the BNB, the SOL, USDC, Doge, TRX. Whatever you find here are the tops coin for the day or for the past 24 hours. Whatever you find this very place are the top coins. Okay, and they are ranked hierarchically from the most important to the less important. Okay, so looking at the trending part, these trending parts are the coins that are currently booming in the market, the ones that are actually doing well in the market, the ones that a lot of people are investing on. Looking at the trending here, so if you are looking for a particular coin to buy quickly and make profit without waste of time, all you just need to do is to come to trending. If you come to trending, then you can look at those coins carefully. You can see this one has already pumped 120. XPO is on its way as well. So you can look at some of those ones and pick from them because they will also be coming up in the nearest time. Okay, you can see the Hemi. Alright, you can see the Hemi where it is currently. You can look at the 30 days and the 7 days to see how it has been, and also use the 24 hours to see where it has been or to see where it is currently. You can roll down as well in order for you to see the fear and the greed. Okay, you can see the bullish and the bearish, of which this particular coin is actually good for now. You can see the bullish here. You can see the bullish here and the bearish here. The bullish means the greenish part, and the bearish is the red part. You can see the red part is just 16%, of which the bullish is 84%. I think this coin is good to go. This is how you look at some of those coins for yourself. Okay, so each coin you're going into it, make sure you look at it detailed, look at its current news, boost DeFi with Meki, help expand opportunities for Bitcoin backed liquidity with the launch of its Meki campaign. You can look at it carefully. So the moment you look at it carefully, you can now go back to your choice of exchange and make a choice of a particular exchange you want to use and look for this particular coin. Look at it carefully how it has been doing or how it was doing in that particular exchange, and then you can choose to dive in. Okay, so you watch this carefully so that you may understand how this works. Okay, you can see this Asta as well. Okay, you can also dive into the Asta, look at how it has been doing, where it was, the total market cap, the bullish and the bearish. With all this, you understand what exactly you're doing. Okay, so this is actually how you can go about any coin you have choose. You can also check the market cap to see what exactly is going on with those coins. You can see the Asta USDT, that's a high liquidity of over 500 of over 500. Okay, and the 24-hour volume was 569 USDT, which is very high. You can see if you come to the market here, the market will shows you whatever is going on with them. Okay, you can also look at the news part. Looking at the news part, you can see you can also learn a lot of things from here. What about the tokens you can unlock? Okay, and also the portfolios. So these are, by the way. So looking at the trend, all those things, this watch list are some of those coins you choose that you want to be following up. For the meantime, you are the one to choose these ones here. You are the one to add those coins here. Okay, you don't meet anything here. Whatever you see here is what you added. All right, you can see the overview of the market cap volume. All right, the fear and the greed, you can see it's not encouraging though. Fear and the greed, and what a view. All right, you can see them. Sorry. So that is why. So looking at the exchanges, these exchanges shows you those particular exchanges that you can trade crypto on. Okay, you have the Bybit. Sorry, we have the Binance, the Bybit, the Coinbase, Upbit, OKX, Bidget, Gate.io, Mask, KuCoin, ATP, and the rest. Okay, so any exchanges that is not listed here, I don't advise you to trade there. Okay, any exchange that's not listed here, I do not advise you to trade there. So if anyone advertise any exchange to you, make sure you come to this Coinmarketcap to check for that particular exchange. If the exchange is not legit, it won't be here. And if it's not here, I advise you do not trade with that exchange. Okay. So these are those things that you just need to know. Okay, so why is the market down today? You can look at all this, some of these updates in order for you to what to look at what exactly is going on with them. All right, you can look at why the market is down today. The crypto market fell 4.34% in the last 24 hours, expanding its 7 days decline. Okay, key drivers is include averages liquidations, sector rotations, and also high correlations in equity. Okay, leverage on winding and what the view. So leverage liquidations or spiral, which is a bearish impact. What it means, okay, traders overexposed high beta asset faced margin call, faced margin call. Okay, creating reflecting selling pressure, negative funding rate, and lots more. Okay, looking at also the index sector shakeup, mixed impact, and the water view. Okay, so altcoin are performing bitcoins. You can look at all those all those news so that you can actually know what exactly is going on with the industry. Okay, altcoin are performing altcoins outperforming bitcoins. All that you can, there are things you can just look out for yourself. Okay, so these are the actually basics and also things that you need to know So deep down here, you can see the market, you can search, you can also search the community. You can see deep down here, the alpha. Okay, here you can search. Okay, here you can search, and you can look at the portfolio and also the community. Okay, so all those things are things you must look out for. All these ones are the alpha coins. You can come to this place also to see the memes explorer and also the launch. Okay, the launch. Okay, so this launch shows you any of those exchanges that's about to list a particular coins and the orders. Okay, so by the way, I've shows you the most important thing you should be looking out for yourself. Always look at the top trending, and also always look at the overview, which are very vital. These are some of those things you must actually look out for them. All right, so this will brings me to the end of this very class. If you do find value from this very video, do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. I will see you in my next class. Bye.